Hey, morning guys. So just quick intros. So this is Scott. He'll be looking after the bike maintenance program for today. This is Bob. He'll be looking after our performing arts section. And this is Ken. He'll be looking after our dance class for today. All right, let's go.
All right, let's go. Ready? Are we ready?
Yes.
Al, what's that damn check on? Hey.
Welcome guys, my name is Scott. We're running you guys through basic bike maintenance.
I didn't sit down on that chair. In order to do that, you have to sit on the chair before I do. But what happens is when one person sits on that chair, it frees up another chair.
What I'm giving you guys is legitimate tools that I use. Right, cool, I'm not just some scrub, random guy that just like to do this in the garage and be like, oh, yo.
And what we call a quick release. Right, a quick release is just means that you don't need a tool.
So again, right, a lot of the moves, it's inspired by real life like situations.
Also, it's a mentoring program that helps teach kids about working in a team, building confidence of each other by using our bucket drums.
One more.